Hey guys, and welcome back to my video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this phone I picked up on eBay. I actually have a whole bunch of videos coming, probably tonight. I'll go and upload them. These phones have been sitting on my desk for most of them for about a week now. So yeah, let's go ahead and start with this one, if I can find my knife. And where's your screwdriver? This one is a Samsung Upstage, SPH-M620. This is with Sprint. It's my camera. I can't remember the price I paid for this one, but it wasn't that expensive. And it came with the box and a piece of paper behind it. Basically just telling me thank you for the purchase and leave a feedback, which I already left feedback for all these, even though I haven't even looked at them because like I said, it's been here a while now. So here it is, pretty standard box. I already have a couple of these with the box and everything. This one looks to be new with everything in here, including the it's been used. The battery wallets here. This one, if I remember right, had a bulged battery. Yes, right here you can see it. How the D-pad is coming up. It's got a bulged battery, but probably still works if I'm a guessing person. I might just have to swap the battery. Probably got a pre-installed SD card. 64 megabytes. So there we go, quick little unboxing. I think I already have an actual unboxing of the phone itself on another video. I might redo it depending on how it was. I can't remember what phone I even recorded it with. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.